have picked up a new case. Mr. Arispe.
A tense morning erupts as a young man on bond for a weapons charge is now accused of threatening to kill members of his own family. With witnesses describing pistols, rifles, and violent promises, the judge's patience ends instantly. Bond revoked. No negotiations. One more case, the judge warns, and the consequences will explode.
You now stand charged with terroristic threat or a family or a household member. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Officer was dispatched to a residence in response to a family disturbance. The complainant, the defendant's stepmother, stated that the defendant was upset because he was owed money. The defendant told other members of the complainant's family, if they don't have my money by tonight, I'm going to kill them, as well as I'm going to send my people to shoot them up. The defendant also told the complainant directly, if you don't have my money by tonight, you are going to see. A family member of the defendant and complainant stated that he had seen the defendant walking around with a pistol in his pocket, and the complainant knows that the defendant owned several rifles as well.
You were on bond for unlawful carrying of a weapon. Did we order him not to have one?
Yes, Judge.
Regardless, you've picked up a new case. What happens now is I'm going to revoke your bond in the first place and you will stay with me. I will appoint you a lawyer today, Mr. Arispe, so we can talk about how to go forward, but I am ordering you now not to have any contact with these people. Do you understand?
Sir.
And I'm going to tell you, you pick up a third case, I'm going to go bonkers on the bonds. Do you understand?
Sir.
I'm going to do everything in my power to protect this public at all cost. All right, goes with you. Do you mind appointing him? No? Yeah, when we get a lawyer, we'll do it. Is it Ally?
Ally.
Mr. Ally, you're charged with interference with duties of a public servant. This case is now 378 days old. You have been given PR bond after PR bond.
I lost my papers at the court.
Stop. Please don't say anything. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. I don't think we've even done probable cause on this thing. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Good morning, Alex.
Good morning. On November 28, 2023, officer was dispatched to a meet firefighter response call and met with the defendant's mother, who reported to the fire department that she was pushed by her son. The complainant did not feel pain when she was pushed, and the officer was advised that the defendant was locked inside the bathroom. When the defendant walked out of the bathroom, he walked past the officer and stated that he was leaving. The officer grabbed the defendant by his right wrist to detain him for a family violence investigation, and he forcefully pulled his right arm away from the officer. A second officer pushed the defendant onto a bed to detain him. The defendant sat up and stated, "I will punch you," and then swung at the second officer with a closed fist, but did not make contact. The defendant then ran out of the sliding glass patio door and onto a third floor.
A second defendant appears, this time a young man whose violent struggle with police ended in a 3-story fall off a balcony. Surviving the drop, he fled before officers caught him again. In court, his mother reveals deeper issues: mental health challenges, medication struggles, and fear of him slipping through the cracks. The judge listens carefully.
To a third floor balcony, where he jumped over the third floor balcony and fell to the ground below, got up and ran away. Approximately 15 minutes later, the defendant was located at a park inside the apartment complex, and the defendant was taken into custody.
All right, Mr. Alley, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with you. How old are you, sir?
21. Nah.
What do you do for a living?
Stay at home.
You here with anyone today? Are you here with anyone today?
Yes,
Coming up, Mom. Thank you so much for coming. It's okay. Thank you so much for coming. Tell me what's going on with Mr. Ali.
He's intellectual.
Shh.
He's as an intellectual learning. He also has diagnosis.
Okay, are you taking medication, Mr. Allen? Is he taking it? Are you sure?
I'm the one, is his caretaker, which is I give him his medicine. I take him to a psychiatrist too. He goes, regular. Marquise, did you tell him that?
I don't know. He's on out there main song.
We have a lot of problems. We can't get him to court. I'm here. I'm glad that you're here today, but it's the third time.
I had a transportation.
But I scored him, I really speaks for him on all his, far as his diagnosis, everything that's going on with him. I mainly speaks for him because he can't speak for himself. So
Okay.
I'm the one talks for him.
Okay. Did you graduate from high school?
Yes.
Wonderful. So what are your plans now? Okay. Then what? Okay. I'll appoint you guys a lawyer today. The only thing I'm going to ask you, Mr. Ali, don't use marijuana. Don't use illegal drugs. I'd like to send him for a test now to make sure he's not using. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send him for a drug test right now, and I'm going to have him come back. Then I'm going to have you guys speak with a lawyer, and we'll figure out how to go forward.
Right.
Do not miss court anymore.
Cause he on medication. They be telling him, don't take, cause I be praying he don't, because it affect the medication.
I want to know now
and it
if he's,
affect your mental will.
I'm sending you for a drug test now, Mr. Ali. I'm telling you, no smoking marijuana. Do you understand?
Yeah.
If you do, we will have problems. It's okay. All I want you to know is that we're going to work on making you into the best person that you can. But that can't happen if you're smoking marijuana. It's absolutely no. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I'm going to send you for a drug test now. I want you to come back. If you come back, good things will happen. I promise. We're not here to hurt you. We're only here to help you and have a ton of resources for you. But you got to come back. That's how it works. Okay? All right.
When
So what am
another
I?
long missing defendant finally appears, the courtroom reacts with surprise. After years dodging hearings and juggling probation in multiple counties, he's now facing yet another charge. The judge offers a rare lifeline, a short sentence, credit for time served, and one clear warning, another slip, and the system won't be so forgiving next time.
All right. So what I'm going to have you do, guys, just hang tight, take a seat. I'm going to have you speak with Felicia for a moment. We'll send you for a drug test and then come back. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm sending you for a drug test and then I'm going to have you come back.
Okay.
Take the test and come back. Do you have any questions? Okay. Mom, if you want to accompany him, that'd be great.
Yes, I am.
And then we'll just see you back here in maybe like
Make sure
30
he
minutes.
came today, so to see what's going.
Yeah,
with him.
take care of you. Don't worry, but just come back. We need you to come back, okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Please just have a seat, Mr. Allen.
Come on up, Mr. Ed has, come on up, sir.
We got him. I can't believe it. You're harder to catch than a leprechaun, man.
He's
For real.
been here for a minute, Judge.
This is the first time I've seen him in like 3 years.
Oh,
Well, maybe
well,
2.
he's been here since October.
How are you? You had cases, I guess, out of county. Was it Montgomery County or something like that?
Chambers.
Where was it? Chamber. Oh, ooh. Gotta be careful out there.
I know, they're going on the highway.
Give me the last name again, please.
Colbert,
That's right, Mr. Coleman.
and he's on today's docket on the jail docket.
All right. So you just entered in these 2 probations.
Yes, sir.
Be very, very careful. Because there's only so many times that they're going to bend over to help you out before they send you to prison. So you have to have a halo on your head when you're on 2 felony probations, especially for this, what you got now.
Yes, sir.
It's not hard. If you're hanging around bad people, they're going to bring you down. It's just a matter of time. Just break away. Here you're charged with failure to identify oneself as a fugitive from justice. So it's a Class A misdemeanor. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 30 days in jail, credit for the 118 days that you've already done. This will go on your record. You need to understand from now on, with us here in misdemeanor, any more cases that you ever pick up, you're looking at a minimum of 90 days in jail.
Sir,
Do you understand?
sir.
You give up a lot of rights by entering this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible, you can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, there's no turning back.
Sir,
This is what you want to do.
sir.
How do you plead to the officer? I'll find you guilty. I'll sentence you to 30 days in jail, give you credit for the 118. If it's enhanced, abandoned, please, good luck. Just follow the rules. And if you ever have any problems, go back to the court. You're in a friendly court. They'll help you out. No issues ever. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Coleman. Thank you.
Thank you. May we be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Basically, the deal is this, ma'am. We can't get a hold of your lawyer. We don't know where he is. We've been trying to get him for hours. He tested negative, which is great.
That's good news to hear.
So
I didn't know.
we're gonna reset your case out, okay? We're gonna give you paperwork to try to get a hold of the lawyer. We'll give you a couple weeks. If you're unable to get a hold of him, just let us know, okay? Come back. Don't leave. Come back to court. Good things happen when you come back. Can you make sure that he comes back? This is the third time.
Oh, yes,
Please.
well, see, I didn't know about the other court because he'd been to court already.
We're gonna give you the reset. That way you have it, so you know when the next court date
Right.
is, okay?
Because
They said I got a feeling I cleared that.
Say it again?
They said I had a feeling I cleared that.
Yes, correct. Yeah. So we'll give you the reset. Just stay in touch. We'll try to get in touch with the lawyer. He's supposed to get a hold of you within 24 hours. If not, let us know and then we'll go further.
Okay.
Just stay in contact with the lawyer, okay? And take your medicine, Mr. Ali, okay? Okay, you guys have any questions?
Oh, you just come back for the court date and then,
Yeah, I guess I really don't want to talk to you without your lawyer. So the only thing, I guess, just we need him here and I just can't get a hold of him. So we'll reset your case and hopefully he'll reach out to you today so that we can try to come up with a game plan. Okay? If he doesn't get a hold of you, just let us know and we'll go from there, I guess.
all right.
Okay?
What's the age of the case?
No, they got to come back just 2 weeks.
I didn't realize.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But come back, okay? All right. Okay,
The
good.
final case shifts from crime to recovery. A man battling alcohol abuse stands before the judge while clinicians recommend inpatient treatment. His lawyer fights for outpatient care. The defendant describes newfound discipline, promotions at work, and cutting ties with drinking companions. The judge weighs a crucial question. Is he truly ready or just hopeful?
Okay, guys. Thank you, Mom. Okay. Come on.
I'm coaching on Nicholas Holland, and basically, we're trying to see what we can get done here. I think there's a rec for inpatient. We're trying to see if you would accept any intensive outpatient. And either way, we're gonna have to, just get through the holidays and do something, but it's gonna be one of those two, and it's ultimately which one you'll kind of bless.
I don't know. Should we do a TRAS?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Holland, come up.
He did the TRS and the recommended this safety.
This is why we do this beforehand. You know what I mean?
What?
This, so we know exactly what to expect, you know? Yeah. I don't know, Tad, why? I mean, we have you evaluated by clinicians for a reason. These people know what they're doing. They've done it 100 times. And they know the best way to move forward with the case. That's why we do it. I can not tell you how many times we've done a TRAS, we've deviated from what they say, and then we end up in a worse position because something happens. Now, I know you're going to tell me everything is little bunnies jumping in the woods, but you can never anticipate in life what's going to happen. And the problem is how do you deal with the stressors that come in life? Because that's what really defines a person. We all have issues, we all have problems, and they always come at the worst time. But the most important thing is, how do you deal with the stresses when they come? Do you turn destructive, self-destructive? Do you turn destructive in the public, right? Where you do something to endanger the public. That's why we have this. What they're suggesting is inpatient treatment.
Say it again?
I said, what they're suggesting is inpatient treatment.
Because you do have a job and
Yes, sir.
you have been working at this job for a while.
Yes, sir, for like a year.